this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to insert your SIM card into your Moto G Stylus phone. And I currently have it in my older phone right now. And this little tool should come with your phone. It will just pop out the SIM card on the side of the phone. Otherwise, you can use a small paper clip. So there is going to be a small hole on my Samsung S9 on the top. I can just press this in right here, and it should pop out the SIM card. So let's press it in. And here it is. Let's pop this out. And here is my tiny SIM card. I want to insert this into my Stylus G phone. So let's put this to the side here and put it back in my phone. Now let's go to my Motorola G. And right at the top there is a small hole. That is not the hole we want to insert this. It's actually on the side right here. Let's pop this open. Just like this. Push it down. Now let's take this little tray out. So let's just rotate this around, and you can kind of see there is a little corner cut out of it. So let's put it right here. And you might have to actually push this down. It shouldn't just be falling out on you. As you can see, I'm moving it up and down. So snap it into place. Then let's go back to this little hole here on the side of the phone. And we can easily just push this in now, and it shouldn't take too much effort. Push it in so it's flat on the side. Now let's go to my phone, and we can simply scroll on down from the top down, and we can check to see if there's any service. Doesn't look like any. So I'm gonna go to settings, then I'm gonna go to network and internet. Then I can see I'm connected to T-Mobile right here, so I'm gonna select mobile network. Then under here, I can go on down, and you might wanna disable roaming. So we have international data roaming, you might wanna uncheck mark that. Then I have allow 2G and allow 5G right here. Awesome. So I'm currently connected to the Wi-Fi, so let's get off of Wi-Fi. I can see mobile data 5G. So you shouldn't need to restart your phone. Let's go to the internet browser right now since I'm off the 5G network and see if this loads. Alright, so let's go to my favorite website, n4g.com. Go to this, and it is now working. I can even run a speed test on google.com or something like that. So let's press go and just check the internet speed for my 5G network where I live. And it doesn't look like it's nearly as good as my Wi-Fi, but it's a lot better than my 4G. But hopefully this video did indeed help you guys out. Leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on YourSixTech.